This the challenge poopsie.
Cooking challenge.
Challenge poopsie, not cooking challenge. Is still better for me? Not.
Ano iluluto mo?
Yan. Pancake.
Pancake. Sige, luto mo na yung pancake.
Wala natin kakain.
Get your pan. Ay, mas maganda tong big. Tong big one.
2-1.
Coffee. Very.
Not big one.
Okay, sige, go.
It's so good. Where's me?
Spatula.
Oh.
Lagay mo siya dito. Here. Wow.
There's pancake.
Baliktad.
Oh.
Okay, prepare na natin yan dito.
Oh, wait.
Prepare na natin ito.
Just wait.
Ano pa? Pizza.
Pizza, not.
Slice of pizza.
I mean, Miss Pat. Displace ko naman.
Dito may lagay.
Who's the bag? What is it?
Gusto ko rin ng coffee.
Coffee.
Ito, coffee. Ito, may lagay yung coffee. Ito, coffee.
Oh.
Coffee. Ano pa ba?
Some
What
rice.
else? Ice cream.
Okay, rice and ice cream.
Rice. Food.
Okay, ice cream. This.
Yum.
Oven. Oven muna.
Wow.
Your time in. Let's fill you back.
Ano pa ba?
Rice.
Parang gusto ko ng apple at orange.
Not this orange. It's polka. Oh,
Okay.
this.
Faster.
Wait. Some point.
Okay. Yan ang mga niluto ni Emrys.
You're eating.
Bye! Bye ka!